Yes. Dr. Mindy in the house. All right.
I appreciate that.
The carnivore diet.
Because of what we eat.
Honestly, you've really touched my heart.
One of my missions right now is to help women step back into our power. And I feel like when we look in this let's just call it the overachiever sort of push on through success-oriented society that we're in, history over time, a lot of the patriarchal world we're living in, and this is not an anti-patriarch conversation. I more want to see the matriarch and the patriarch come together. We haven't been given the opportunity to be expressive about our emotions. We haven't been able to show that we're weak. We haven't been able to highlight our intuition. So much of that is missing because our culture doesn't applaud it. So it makes sense to me that it would get pushed down because you feel a little bit like a freak when you start to talk about, well, I have an intuitive hit that this is the way I'm supposed to eat, or this is the supplement I'm supposed to take.
So we grew up thinking that like bad emotions were bad, that, you know, if we feel sad or we feel scared or we need to hide that. We don't want to feel, especially for women, we have been taught, do not feel angry, do not show that, you know, keep a smile on your face. And so those are the things that get trapped when we are needing to feel something. We're needing to speak up. We're needing in those moments when we don't. That's when things are getting trapped. And what I notice in my practice is it's so many women that are coming to me. And why I think that is because as women, we are more connected to our cycles, to nature, to our intuition, and we're more empathic, we're more intuitive and take on things just as much as we feel things. And so women are kind of coming in and they've got all their own stuff, but they're also carrying everybody else's stuff too. They've got all their kids' stuff, all their stuff, you know, and so then these women, and as kind of the gatekeepers to the family, these women are coming in and they are destroyed. Like they are, and I remember I was there. Yeah. Like I just remember not being able to function because my anxiety was so high and I couldn't pinpoint anywhere to start. And I tried everything, you know, I tried every therapy, every healing diet, every stupid supplement, everything. And I was just like, it's gotta be gluten. It's gotta be, you know, and so again, this whole journey made me come to this place of realizing how, especially as a woman, I and every other woman is a very energetic, emotional being. There's nothing wrong with that. There's ways to release this. And then there's ways to go about your day and move through stress and emotions in a much healthier way. There's a way to have that and that empathy and not get it all stuck and trapped.